Hey George, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the quick answer is that oftentimes in the world of internet, most business owners are just too busy running their company to learn how the internet can benefit them. And also sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who an expert is and who isn't. Well, I've personally found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could actually do themselves to positively impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Craig. Please help me out. So, by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So looking here, I just typed in Fence Company Charleston. We can see you have the Google Map pack here, and then we have your organic listing. So looking here, your Carolina Fence Company is your #1 competition and organic listing for that search. As we can see here, their site is pretty comparable to any other website. But what we want to look at is content. So I ran both yours and theirs in a tool called SEO Quake. And we can see here they have about 898 words and you have about 331. So Google's actually released it when their algorithms scrub the pages. They're looking for a minimum of 1,500 words to be completely optimized with Google. With you guys showing at about 331, you need about 1,200 more words on that home page to be competitive. Now, looking at your competitors, like I said, they have about 900, so they're also short. Now, the reason you want to do this is because you can target keywords. And looking at their keywords, whoever put their HTML coding in didn't even do that good. We can see quote 29 times, free, fence, and contact is some of their top. When we look at yours, you have fence, Charleston, fences, contact, South Carolina, Charleston, South. Those are great keywords. The reason you're not pulling to the top in the content area is just because you don't have enough. You only have this 8 repeats. So when you increase that to 1,500 words, you'll be able to improve the quality through the keywords. Now the second thing I want to talk about is citations. So going back here to the search, we see this is what we call the Google Map Pack. Now what's important about this is that it's really easy to upgrade these by simply driving citations, or naps as we call it. It's finding directories to put your name, address, and phone number. So I plugged them into this tool called WhiteSpark, and we can see that they only have 16 citation sources according to WhiteSpark. That's not that many. I always recommend people buy at least or get 100, so you can get this from anywhere, any directories that you can find. That could be Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, anything such as that where you put your name, address, and phone number counts as a citation. Now the third thing is the most important thing, and that's going to be backlinks and link juice. So I put your website here in a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see that you have 115 backlinks with 394 keywords. That's pretty good, actually. Now let's look at your competition. They have 357 with 171, and they're in the top 3 for 10, and driving 385 in organic traffic, and they're adding. So what that tells me is they have good SEO, and they're keeping up with it. They keep adding. So what you want to have is good backlink. Now the way backlinks work here simply. Point A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice to site B, which gives them more authority in Google's eyes. It's basically a popularity contest. It's just another website pointing to your website saying you should go there. Now, having the quantity is good, but you want to have quality. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, a site that has to do with fencing rather than Pizza Hut because you're not slinging pizzas. Again, this is Ahrefs, and that's how you can really check out where the link juice and the backlinks are. So, in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We talked about content and having 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed citation and how you want to have at least 100 citations to bring you up in the map pack. Thirdly, most importantly, we talked about backlinks and link juice and how you want to have more authority than any of the sites on Google. If you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either take the information I provided you today and do it all on your own, and like I said in the beginning, I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most cost-effective route and want to save yourself the time and effort, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day.